In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check assignments in Google Classroom. Whether you're a student keeping track of your homework or a teacher ensuring everything is set, understanding how to navigate Google Classroom effectively is crucial. So let's dive in and explore how to make this task simple and stress-free. First, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and visit classroom.google.com. This is where you'll begin the process. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. This should be the same account you use for your classes. If you're not signed in automatically, you'll need to enter your credentials. Having multiple Google accounts can sometimes lead to confusion, so double check that you're using the right one. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see a dashboard displaying all the classes you're involved in. Take a moment to scan through and select the class you want to check. Just click on the tile and it will take you to the class homepage. It's helpful to have a clear idea of which class you're looking at, especially if you're enrolled in many different courses. Next, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see various tabs. Click on the Classwork tab. This tab is your go-to destination for all assignments, quizzes and materials associated with your chosen class. Here, everything is organized neatly, making it easy for you to find and manage your assignments. Now that you're in the Classwork section, you'll notice a list of assignments and other materials laid out before you. This includes everything from quizzes to study resources. To dive deeper into any specific assignment, simply click on it. This will allow you to view all its details, instructions, and any files your teacher may have attached. It's a good idea to read through these instructions carefully, as they provide essential insights into what is expected for your task. If you're keen to track your progress or review work you've already submitted, there's a straightforward way to do that. On the left side of the page, you'll see a panel. Select View Your Work. This is a particularly useful feature as it gives you a summarized view of the status of each assignment. You'll see if assignments are still assigned, if they've been turned in, or if they've been returned, along with any grades or feedback. This can immensely help you in organizing your priorities and catching up on any pending work. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently manage and oversee your assignments within Google Classroom. Remember, regularly checking this platform ensures you're up to date with your educational responsibilities, helping you succeed in your academic journey. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning.